Still spending hours documenting after work? Be honest. How many nights have you sat staring at your EMR wishing you could just be done? If you're a PT, OT, or SLP, documentation probably feels like the most draining part of your day. But here's the truth. You don't have to live like that. Today we're going to show you the fastest way to cut your documentation time in half while still writing skilled, defensible notes that can stand up to any audit. Hi, I'm Stephanie, the PT, and together with Nicole, the OT, we are the Note Ninjas. We're therapists who have been exactly where you are, overwhelmed with paperwork, second-guessing our notes, and feeling like documentation was stealing all of our time. We built strategies, systems, and templates that changed everything, and now we help thousands of PTs and OTs every day do the same. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button because we're always dropping innovative treatment ideas, documentation strategies, and productivity hacks that make your therapy life easier. Tip number 1, start with function, not body parts. Don't write patient completed sit-to-stands for quad strengthening. Instead write patient practice sit-to-stands to improve independence with toileting and transfers. This shift makes your notes instantly more skilled and clearly ties your treatment to function, which is exactly what auditors are looking for. Tip number 2, anchor every goal to an everyday task. When you document a balance, connect it to things like dressing at the closet, cooking at the stove, or grooming at the sink. If you're working on dynamic standing balance, say patient engaged in dynamic reaching and standing to increase safety during kitchen meal prep. Functional outcomes should always be front and center. Tip number 3, document cueing like a pro. Most notes just say patient required cues. That's not skilled. Instead, get specific. Patient required moderate verbal cues for sequencing during dressing with feeding support over 3 trials. That shows skilled intervention, progress, and why your expertise matters. Tip number 4, capture clinical reasoning, not just activities. It's not about listing what you did, it's about showing why. Instead of patient performed gait training over 100 feet, try patient performed gait training on uneven surfaces to address lateral instability and reduce fall risk during community ambulation. Same activity, totally different level of skill. Tip number 5, build your own phrasing bank. Stop reinventing the wheel every single note. Create a set of easy to adapt phrases you can pull from quickly, like a toolbox of skilled language. For example, patient required increased rest breaks due to fatigue impacting endurance for ADLs. You can plug this into dozens of notes with skilled tweaks and it saves hours. Now imagine what happens when you put all 5 of these strategies together. You're no longer writing cookie cutter notes. You're showing skilled intervention, defending medical necessity, and finishing your notes faster. That's the dream, right? More family, less stress after work, and confidence that your documentation is solid. And here's the best part. Once you practice the style of documenting, it becomes second nature. You won't just be faster, you'll be writing higher quality notes than ever before. If this was helpful, we've got something for you. We put together a free skilled care and documentation cheat sheet with documentation phrases, cueing examples, and ready-to-use strategies. Just check the link in the description to grab it. It's our gift to you. And if you want more videos packed with innovative treatment ideas, skill documentation hacks, and time-saving strategies, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we've got so much more coming your way. Stop letting documentation run your life. Work smarter, not harder, and put your focus back where it belongs, on your patients. We're Stephanie and Nicole, the Note Ninjas, and we'll see you in the next video.